Hey, Sam from Packhacker, and in this video we're taking a detailed look at the Rolling Square AirCard that I've been testing over the course of the last 4 weeks. If you like this video and find it helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you content to help you travel smarter. Let's dive in. In my opinion, the best part about this thing is that it's a flat AirTag. So it has all the capabilities of an AirTag, it hooks in with the Find My app, and it's flat. So it's easy to put in a wallet or a passport wallet. I put it in a passport wallet when I travel, and I feel a lot more comfortable doing that. I used to kind of stick an AirTag inside of a zippered passport sleeve, and now I can use like a passport wallet because this just slides in. So I really dig that. That's my favorite part about it. You know, if you don't want to watch any more of the video, that's my gist, my summary. But if you want to learn a little bit more, the look of it, it's got like this crazy, you know, it's like a high-tech business card look to it. You can see some of this like circuitry that's going on behind here. And then there's a couple of, like there's this circle here, that's the NFC for your contact. And then there's a QR code on the front here. When you use your camera and scan that, your business card comes up, the owner of the AirTag's business card comes up, you know, that has created that. So here's how it looks on the web, just like this. And then to demonstrate, it's like 50-50 whether it works or not, but there's NFC capability. So if you bring it up to scan next to your phone, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I found that, there we go, having my phone awake will get this push notification to come up, and then all the contact information comes up. If I tap add to contacts, it's just a regular contact card. This is iOS only right now. They're working on an Android version, so hopefully they'll come up with that soon. And this is the little circular part where you scan that. Now this part is a little bit awkward because it's hit or miss, for me at least, when I've been able to get this to work. So sometimes it's worked, other times it's been like, let me just type my number in your phone, and it gets a little bit, it can get a little bit awkward. So I think, again, the biggest part about this is that it's an AirTag that hooks right into the Find My network. And I never knew that Apple even allowed other accessories besides an AirTag to hook into this network that are like this, like trackers like this. And I think that's really cool. Maybe they do, and I just don't really know about it, but this is the first one that I've seen, the AirTag from Rolling Square that's done this. And I've been testing this about a month now. So yeah, regular just hooks into the Find My app. We're at the studio right now, and if I were to have lost my wallet with this, you can just play a sound. It's got a crazy like video game noise. It's a little more shrill than an AirTag sound, so hopefully people will hear it more. And yeah, flat AirTag. That's really, I think, the biggest part about this thing. So a great thing about this thing is that it's flat, so it's very easy to pack. It's about the size of a credit card. So I've got my everyday wallet here, the Reform, you know, just slide it in there, boom. A little bit thicker than the other cards inside because there's a lot of tech inside of there. I mean, it makes sense. But honestly, not even that much thicker than like the Amex Platinum card or something. I've got metal cards on this side, and you can see that it's really, two metal cards are thicker than this Air card. So that's something just to consider. It is thicker than a card, but it is card shaped. And then typically when I'm traveling, I'll just pop it in just right into my passport wallet like that, so I can track that, and that makes me feel a lot better. Now, what I was talking about, what I used to do before is I used to take an AirTag with me, and then I would just, you know, pop an AirTag like behind in a zipped passport wallet like this. And I always felt safer with it like this because the AirTag is round. In the wallet, there's really no place for it to go. So I was always afraid that I was gonna lose this, but obviously the sizes are different. The AirTag is a little bit thicker, so it doesn't really fit well inside of like your wallet. I don't know, if you if you carry it like that in your wallet, maybe let us know. But that, obviously the AirTag is a lot better. And then, you know, if it fits into a card pocket, I don't really feel the need as much to have the whole entire thing zipped. A billfold like this is okay with me. All right, so quick size comparison. These are a couple of other trackers that we have at the office. These are tiles. I think they're a couple generations old at this point, but just to give you an idea of the size difference between them. There you go. Yep, that size, and then of course we've got an AirTag. So I really like the idea of the AirCard integrating directly with Apple's Find My I think that's a really, really great feature, and that it's card size. So you can easily just fit this anywhere else you'd put a form of identification or a credit card or really any other card. And the biggest benefit here of this thing is the size and the form of it. So there you have it, the Rolling Square AirCard. Thanks for giving here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. See you in the next video.